And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a perfect and almost perfect wing liner. I'm going to use a liquid ink liner by Essence. Now whatever liquid liner you guys are using, you want to make sure it's matte. This liner has a very precise and a flexible tip that makes it easy for the liner to go on. And we're going to start off with the wing first. The wing starts just between the two lash lines, and then the upper part of the wing goes on the upper lash line that's on the lid. And then we're going to go on with the actual liner. So you want to do the wing first and then the liner, and then fill in the wing and connect both of them together. So when you're connecting the wing to the liner, you want to work in small dashes and not drag a line across the lid. When you're working in small dashes, it gives you a better control in getting that straight line across your lid. So once we get towards the inner corner, you guys will see that I use the tip of the brush. That gives me more control in getting a very thin line towards the inner corner, because if you use the side of the brush like we used with the rest of the liner, it's just gonna go all over your inner corner, because that's a very tricky part to line. After that, we're gonna take a very precise brush like so, loaded with matte black eyeshadow, and just stamp it on the liner. This is going to really help smooth out any uneven lines on the liner and also help it last longer. This is one of my secrets that I share with all of my students. A lot of liner mistakes happen due to a lot of product on the brush, or sometimes your hand slips and you ruin your almost perfect winged liner, or sometimes your wing is just haphazard and not as sharp as you would want. So what you want to do is grab some micellar water and a Q-tip, and the way you want to really perfect your wing is, first you want to sharpen your wing like I'm doing. You want to take, just pat out any streaks, and then you want to clear the mess beneath. So you don't want to start with clearing of the mess beneath and then go towards your wing. Just sharpen out your wing as much as you want and then clear the rest of the mess that has been created. To further perfect your wing, you want to take a small flat brush like so, and take out your favorite concealer, dip your brush in the concealer, and make sure you're taking off the excess product at the back of your hand, so you have better control at the application of the concealer. So now you want to make a line, concealer line, just parallel to your wing. Make sure like they're together, sticking, but not on the actual liner. And then you want to blend it downwards. Don't blend it sideways, blend it downwards to get that really sharp wing effect. And then just with the ring finger, blend it out and further perfect it with your beauty blender. And this is how you get a perfect wing liner. Another tip that I want to share with you guys is to take any kohl pencil and line your upper waterline for a fuller lash effect. I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. You want to be very careful with this step. And then I'm going to pop on some inner corner highlight using MAC Whisper of Guilt. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial.